Alright, got a couple boost issues, so today we're going to be replacing the standard recirculation valve with this. Hopefully that'll cure it all. Do a little video, show you how I got along. Right, let's get to it. It's actually such a pain in the ass to get to. We go up, in, up through there. Let's try and hold this camera a little bit better. Right, it is up there. Now, getting to it ain't gonna be easy. Some guys in the forum said they had to remove the, here it is. They had to remove the drive shaft, but I ain't doing that. There's the reset valve up there. Yeah, no. This is actually just going to be a bit of a pain in the ass, but it's needed. Big old brake discs. Massive. Yeah, can't really see it from up here. It's not going to shed any extra light down there either, really. Alright, we got the old one of those off. That's fine. Now, way up in here, up in there, the light's gone off. There's something else that needs removing. Yeah. Just about see it. Yeah. Alright, no warning lights. Sounds different, sounds quieter. Or not. yeah, now it's all done. It's all nice and working. It's louder. The only thing left to do is take it for a test drive. So pack all this stuff up and we'll go for a drive. Alright, after a little bit of testing, it's a lot louder. I'm going to have to have a look at a couple other issues which still remain from previous, but I'm legitimately very happy with how it turned out. It's a lot louder now, and that's kind of what I was hoping for. I mean, the part was cracked and broken anyway and falling apart, which they commonly do on these cars, but now it's just so much better. Alright, well, that's going to round off the video anyway. Wasn't going to do a proper in-depth instructional video because, quite frankly, I didn't really know what I was doing anyway, just kind of going at it, but yeah. Anyway, for more Smax related